Hi there, it's Roy Breton here, sometimes known as the Christian Internet Marketer. Hope you're doing well. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to get the right training and not to be taken in by online scams. Thankfully, I've been working online since 2007. I also have an offline business. So kind of scams don't kind of seem quite so prominent to me. But when I first started, I ended up sort of buying into many scams. Now, I just put, for a kind of a bit of fun, how to get rich quick online. Well, basically, it's not possible. In normal terms, it's not possible. I know you hear of the odd person who's basically discovered something and they've made a fortune, and that does happen. But in normal terms, it's not really true. I mean, here we've got how to make quick money in one day online. I probably wouldn't even watch that. Now, Project Life Mastery. I watched some of Project Life Mastery from Stephen James, and he talks a lot of sense. Great stuff. I don't want to go through all these videos, but just be careful. Earn £300 by typing names online. I doubt it, to be fair. I don't even know what it is, but I doubt it. Or it might take you 365 days to do it. But just be careful with these headlines. So what I want to talk to you about, it took me 3 years to start making money online and to get my first money making website up and running in 2007. But for the past 5 years, I've been a member of this website. Let's go back to where the course is. It's called Wealthy Affiliate. I'll put the link in at the bottom of this video. You can see, let's go to the training. So there's all sorts of training here. Basically, Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to make money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products, and it may be through Amazon. It could be through gardening. It could be through literally anything you want. It could be fishing. If you've got a hobby and you'd like to start a website and it's something you're passionate about, then if you put on affiliate marketing or affiliate websites for a certain niche, I can almost guarantee you would find something. So getting back to Wealthy Affiliate, if you know absolutely nothing, then you can do the Getting Started course. I went through a lot of the courses, even though I was already sort of working online and making money online. But let's just look at this. The course is Getting Started. First lesson is getting rolling, understanding how to make money, choosing a niche. Now you can watch all these videos here without paying a penny. You don't need a credit card or anything. All you need to do is to sign up, which I'll put the link here. Sign up here, create your account, and get rolling with your online business today. Just enter your email address. There's no credit card required, no payment or anything. Personally, I would don't go by what I say. Sign up for a free account. Do the training. You do have to take action. If you like it, then go for a premium account. But make sure you've tested it. Don't go by what I'm telling you. Test it out properly and see how you get on. Now, Wealthy Affiliate actually teaches you how to put up a website, and I've got a video, and I'll try and put it in below this video when I upload it, on how to put up a website in, I think it's about 45 seconds. It really is quick, and even with a free account, you can put a website up in a very short time, in the same time actually. I'm not going to make this video any longer because I feel I've said enough for this video. Please feel free to comment on it. If you've got any questions, I'm here to help. Put something in the comments box and go to this page and try it out. I'll put the link at the bottom of the page. Thanks very much for watching.